Hello beautiful people, I know some of you are already tired with your boring lockdown hairstyle. What if I tell you that you can achieve a salon blow-dry at home lockdown edition without the need of a hair dryer? So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Hi beauties, a humongous welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Rita and you're watching itsLaVitaℛita. So for today's episode, I'll be showing you the simplest, easiest, and effective way to achieve the salon blow-dry at home lockdown edition. So if you haven't subscribed, go and click the subscribe button now. So before we begin, grab your pen and paper now and I'll show you the tools that we will be using today. A Tangle Teezer to untangle your hair, hair clip or clips to hold your hair together, Tressemé sea salt spray, which is suitable for naturally straight or wavy hair. Tressemé Salon Finish Extra Hold No. 4 Hairspray for fast drying and long-lasting hold. For our final tool, you will be needing the Instyler 32mm heated rotating barrel. This barrel size allows you to style more hair at once. Always ensure that your power socket is safe to use. Instyler is very user-friendly and very easy to operate. All you have to do is press the button at the bottom, and then Instyler shows the 3 temperature settings. The triple bar is up to 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 196 degrees Celsius. If you press the button the second time, it will show the double bar, which up to 315 degrees Fahrenheit or 157 degrees Celsius. Press it again, and it will show you the single bar, which up to 284 degrees Fahrenheit or 140 degrees Celsius, and press it again to turn off the unit. So first things first is to grab your Instyler, turn it on, and you will see that the light will start flashing. So while the digital temperature is equally distributing the heat to protect your hair and my hair from any damage, then I could start preparing my hair, or you could start preparing your hair. The next tool that we will be using is the Tressemé Perfectly Undone in sea salt spray. Just spray it to the tips of your hair to protect it for extra or any damage, and then using your Tangle Teezer or any brush that you have, just untangle your hair. The process that I usually follow is partitioning my hair into about 4 sections, 3 to 4 sections, and I usually start from the bottom and then I move my way to the top. But the key to using the Instyler is doing it slowly or gradually and with less hair than doing it with a bunch of hair in one go. Just remember, more haste, less speed. So to progress better, just do it slowly, okay? So twist your hair, and then using your clip or your clamp, do it like that, leaving a few bits at the bottom, and then brush it again to ensure that it's fully entangled. And now you could partition the bottom of the hair however you want in about 3 to 4 sections again. So let's grab our Instyler, and then this other secret to this is using your Instyler near to the roots down to the tips, okay? And then you will see that the Instyler will start to roll slowly. And that's basically it. Just remember, we're just creating waves, so not fully curled hair, to recreate that salon blow dry without needing to use a blow dry or hair dryer. The next step is the same. Just grab a few bits of your hair, roll the Instyler slowly to the tips of your hair, then close to the roots and gradually release it. The process is pretty much the same, just carry on selecting just a few bits and then close to the roots and then roll it to the tip, and then roll it back up. And then after that, just release. Repeat the same steps on to the other side. Don't worry if they're not even. It's absolutely fine because the blow dry look anyway is not symmetrical, so just go for the natural waves. There should be a little bit of firm pressure when you reach the tips of your hair, and if it doesn't work, all you have to do is just grab the same hair and then start again.
Yeah, sometimes you will get some stubborn hair. That's absolutely fine. Move on to the next sets of hair. Just untangle it. And then close to the tips, down to, close to the roots, down to the tips.
And then let it roll. Now you can see a little bit of curl at the bottom, and that's what we're trying to achieve. Now all you have to do is just continue doing the same thing. Partition the hair again, leaving the one that you have completed onto the side.
And then section your hair again.
Now untangle your hair again. Section it into 2 on each side, so you're not trying to complete too much hair in one go. You will start to show that the wave's starting to develop. Now sometimes you may pull a little bit more hair than you planned. You could section it more than 2 to 4, however you want. Just remember, the key to effective use of the Instyler is doing it slowly, gradually, and with less hair. So we'll speed up the process now and do the same thing.
How many of you actually been using Instyler, but I found out Instyler through my sister when I visited her in New York, and it's been like 8 years now, and I remember asking her how she does her hair, and she showed me this tool, and from then on, when I bought the unit, I have been using my hair, I've been doing my hair using this Instyler. I remember the early days back in the 80s and 90s, even early 2000s, I would either use curls or curling tools or proper blow dry with a roller brush. Imagine the long process that you have to do in order for you to achieve the salon blow dry. If you guys are enjoying this episode, don't forget to hit that like button and care to share. What we just need, we just want natural waves without looking like we put too much effort. And also, let's be friends and join me on my social media accounts. Join me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Snapchat.
You can go back if you're not satisfied with how it looks. So just ensure that you turn off the unit once you're finished doing your hair. And to complete the actual process, don't forget to use your Tressemé Salon Finish No. 4 hairspray. So just spray to the tip. And that's our final look, guys. What do you think? Just write it down in the comment box below. Thank you so much for staying until the end, and for awesome videos, stay tuned every Saturday at 11 a.m. GMT time. And to get updated every time I upload new videos, don't forget to ring that bell. Again, thank you so much for joining me in this journey. It's my life. It's itsLaVitaℛita. And remember, be who you are and not who the world wants you to be. And I look forward to seeing you all again on my next video. See ya!